Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful wooden crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, first idea is reverse. Friends, wooden wall hanging, take small wooden pieces or sticks, arrange them in a design like a heart, star or tree, glue them together carefully. You can also paint them in light color, then hang it on your wall. It's look nature and very beautiful. Second idea is wooden photo frame. Take small wooden sticks or strips, join them to from a square or rectangle frame, paint or polish the wooden for a smooth look. Now place your favorite photo inside. It's become a lovely handmade decoration. Third idea is wooden pen holder. Take a small wooden box or block. You can also stick small wooden pieces together, decorate it with paint or top. Now you can keep pens, pencils or brushes inside. It is useful and stylish. Fourth idea is wooden coaster. Cut small rounds or square wooden pieces, smooth the surface properly. You can paint them designs or leave them naturally. This coaster protects your tables and they look elegant. Wooden key holder. Take a flat wooden board, attach small holes on it. You can paint or decorate it with design. Hang it up near your door. Now you always know where your keys are. And dear friends, next idea is friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, friends. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.